Welcome back to my channel. Today we are touring the Riverbend Suite at the Hyatt Regency San Antonio. We booked this room for 20,000 points per night for 4 nights. When you walk in, immediately to your right is the full bath. Then you have a desk to your left, a king-size bed, and then over to the right there's the wardrobe with the slippers and robes. Then across from the bed we have floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook the interior atrium of the hotel. Back across the room, through this door, this is the adjoining living area with a separate entrance and a full-length mirror. Then through the hallway here to the left, you have a kitchenette with a microwave, a coffee maker, and a mini fridge. You have another set of huge windows that overlook the Riverwalk. And then you have a large dining room table that seats up to 10. Another wardrobe on your right, and then the second full bath over here with the same setup, a shower, the toilet, a lighted mirror. And then on the right, you have a sofa bed that makes into a queen, a coffee table, television, a workstation, and a little small setup here to sit and drink coffee while you look over the Riverwalk.